Diwali, a word that evokes warmth, joy and the sparkle of 1,000 lights. Celebrated across India and by Hindus worldwide, Diwali is more than just a festival. It is a celebration of the victory of good over evil, of light over darkness, of knowledge over ignorance. It is a time for family, for feasts, for fireworks and for reflection. Diwali's stories are deeply rooted in ancient Hindu scriptures, each tale carrying profound lessons of courage, righteousness and the eternal battle between darkness and light. These stories, passed down through generations, continue to inspire and resonate with millions today. Two such stories form the heart of Diwali: the epic tale of Lord Rama and his return from exile, and the legend of Lord Krishna's victory over the demon Naraka. These stories, though separate, are intertwined by the common thread of dharma, the inherent order of the universe and the triumph of good over evil. As you light your diyas this Diwali, let these stories illuminate your spirit and remind you of the power of faith, courage and the unwavering belief in the ultimate victory of light. Rama, the Prince of Ayodhya, was loved by all. Known for his courage, wisdom and unwavering adherence to Dharma, Rama was destined to be king. However, fate had other plans. Due to a stepmother's scheming, Rama was exiled to the forest for 14 long years. Rama, ever obedient to his father and Dharma, accepted the exile with grace and fortitude. Accompanying him were his devoted wife Sita and his loyal brother Lakshmana. Together, they faced the challenges of the forest, living simply and upholding their principles. Rama's exile was not just a physical journey but a test of his spirit, his commitment to truth and righteousness. It was a period of immense hardship, yet Rama faced each challenge with unwavering courage and integrity. His exile serves as a powerful reminder that life is not without its trials, but it is through adversity that we discover our true strength and resilience. Life in the forest was harsh but peaceful until Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, entered the story. Driven by lust and a desire for revenge, Ravana devised a cunning plan to abduct Sita. While Rama and Lakshmana were lured away, Ravana, disguised as a sage, tricked Sita and took her captive to his kingdom in Lanka. The forest, once a sanctuary, was plunged into darkness, symbolizing the triumph of evil. Sita's abduction represents the vulnerability of innocence in the face of deceit and malice. It highlights the constant struggle between good and evil that exists within us and in the world around us. The news of Sita's abduction shook Rama to his core. Grief-stricken yet resolute, he vowed to rescue his beloved and bring Ravana to justice. His quest for justice led him to Hanuman, the monkey god, and his loyal army. Hanuman, with his unwavering devotion to Rama, crossed the ocean to Lanka, bringing news of Sita's resilience and Rama's impending arrival. A fierce battle ensued between Rama's forces and Ravana's demonic army. After a long and arduous battle, Rama, with his unwavering focus and the aid of his divine arrow, vanquished Ravana. Good had triumphed over evil, and light had pierced the darkness. The return to Ayodhya, Diwali's joyous embrace. With Ravana defeated and Sita rescued, Rama returned to Ayodhya, welcomed by his people with boundless joy and celebration. The kingdom, once shrouded in sorrow, was illuminated with countless diyas, marking the end of Rama's exile and the beginning of his reign. This victory marked the return of Dharma, of justice and righteousness. The day became known as Diwali, the festival of lights, commemorating the triumph of light over darkness and the return of hope after despair. Diwali's essence lies in this victory, in the knowledge that no matter how dark the night, the dawn will always arrive, bringing with it the promise of a new day. Krishna, the divine strategist. The story of Diwali is incomplete without the legend of Lord Krishna, the divine strategist and embodiment of love and wisdom. Krishna's tale takes us on a different yet equally compelling journey of courage, compassion, and the fight against tyranny. Krishna, revered as the 8th avatar of Vishnu, was not only a divine being but also a wise leader, a skilled warrior, and a compassionate guide. His life was a testament to Dharma, and his actions continue to inspire millions. Krishna's triumph, freeing the captives. The legend speaks of Naraka, a powerful demon king who had imprisoned 16,000 princesses within his fortress. Naraka, corrupted by power and greed, terrorized both heaven and earth. Krishna, hearing the princesses' pleas, waged war against Naraka. The battle was fierce, a testament to Krishna's valor and strategic brilliance. In the end, Krishna, with his Sudarshan chakra, vanquished the demon king, freeing the princesses and restoring peace. Section 8. Naraka Chaturdashi, celebrating courage and freedom. Krishna's victory over Naraka is celebrated as Naraka Chaturdashi, a significant day of the Diwali festival. It marks the triumph over fear, oppression, and the celebration of liberation and new beginnings. The lighting of diyas on this day symbolizes the dispelling of ignorance and darkness, reminding us of our own inner strength to overcome challenges and emerge victorious. Section 9. Two legends, one message, the triumph of good. The stories of Rama and Krishna, though distinct, share a common thread, the eternal battle between good and evil and the ultimate triumph of righteousness. They remind us that darkness in all its forms will always be challenged. These stories are not mere mythology, they are timeless lessons woven into the fabric of Indian culture. They teach us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the will to fight for what is right, even in the face of adversity. Section 10. Diwali's enduring message, hope and inspiration. Diwali is a celebration of hope, a reminder that no matter how dark the times, light will always find a way to shine through. It is a time for reflection, for introspection, and for rekindling the light within ourselves. As you light your diyas this Diwali, remember the stories of Rama, Krishna, and the countless others who fought for justice and righteousness. Let their courage inspire you to face your own challenges, to be a beacon of light in the world, and to spread the message of hope and joy that Diwali represents.